Here are some PC applications for voice recording, cloning, and editing. Voice recording. First up, Audacity. It's a free, open-source tool that's powerful for audio recording and editing. It supports formats like WAV, MP3, and more. You can find it at audacityteam.org. Next, we have Adobe Audition, which is a paid software. It's professional grade and excellent for multi-track editing and adding audio effects. Check it out at adobe.com. Lastly, there's WavePad, available in both free and paid versions. It's easy to use for recording and editing audio, and it supports many file formats. Visit nch.com.au for more details. Voice cloning tools. Let's dive into some options.
Descript is an AI-powered tool for voice cloning and editing, available in both free and paid versions. It even includes text-to-speech capabilities. You can explore it at descript.com. iSpeech is another option, though it's paid. It offers custom voice cloning and text-to-speech generation. Find out more at ispeech.org. 11 Labs provides advanced AI for voice cloning and speech synthesis, with both free and paid plans. It allows for natural and customizable voice generation. Check their website at 11labs.io. Resemble AI, which is a paid service, gives you voice cloning and emotion-rich text-to-speech. You can visit resemble.ai for more information. And lastly, there's VoxMaker. It's a user-friendly voice cloning tool, great for beginners, and available in both free and paid versions. Take a look at voxmaker.ai.
Alright, let's dive into audio editing and conversion. First up, we have Audacity. It's fantastic for both recording and editing. Next, Adobe Audition offers pro-level editing with advanced tools. If you're looking for a free, lightweight, and easy-to-use alternative to Audacity, check out Awesome Audio. You can find it at awesomaudio.com. And finally, there's Format Factory, which is also free and converts audio files to MP3 and other formats. Visit formatfactory.com for more information. So, would you like help with installing or using any of these tools?